Okay, so I'm pretty much done, and what I'm gonna do now is just apply some heat around my edges. Just get that pressed in real good to prevent it from peeling back, and then just trim a little bit of the excess material from the inside. Okay, so the next piece I'm wanting to work at is this piece right here. Extends all the way back there, and this piece is kind of interesting because we have factory paint protection film, and we got it in a couple little sections here. It goes all the way to there, and then underneath here as well. So I am gonna lay my vinyl over, and this will be like a just learning experience thing, and if it does have any issues with sticking, then I'll reapproach it later and see what happens. But for now, I am gonna lay the vinyl over it, and then I remove the two little screws back here, and then I'll stick them back on there because I want to get it tucked in all the way underneath. And then back here as well. And I might be able to put a little piece of paint protection film after I'm done, because I can put it over the vinyl to protect the area since I have a roll of the material. So I might end up putting a small little cutout. So I cut out a really big piece. I probably didn't even need to cut it this big, but better have more than less. So I got my piece started. Went ahead and got a straight line going all the way from edge to edge. Now I'm gonna start working this with some heat, this area, and then start working my material down in there. But so far it's looking pretty good. And then I'm gonna tuck it in all the way in on the back. So I'm working along this piece. I got wrinkles in there, but that's not what I'm worried about. I'm worried about the edges right here, which is the visible area, and everything's pretty smooth all the way across. This I'll probably just cut. So I took the hood cover. I just pulled the clips off with a screwdriver. And then I'm also taking a screwdriver and prying the clips pretty slow, one at a time. So I'm working my way around. That's what holds it in, is some pushing clips. It'll turn out a little bit better because I'll learn from my mistakes. And I already messed up. So when I get done, I should have extra material. I'll redo the hood. In the meantime, I might just make a proper seam with knife lace tape, but I just overlapped it. It don't look right because when I was starting on the center and working my way out, I was having wrinkles here. So I decided to, for now, just tuck it in here and put a seam. But I do plan to redo it after, but I want to get the car done first. Just get it all done and then redo the pieces that I need to, like that one. And I should have leftover material where I can redo the entire hood again. So this was a good learning experience, but yeah, I do plan to fix this. and then I'll make a before and after. I thought the hood was very challenging just because it's a very large area.